Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. A mixed day on Wall Street with the S&P 500 moving sideways around our resistance slash support of 492. ATMA is the level to watch. As long as price remains above it, got a dip here recovered immediately. So if it does something like that and does not recover immediately, this one is going to pull back, retest 480, 50 SMA, very important level, and below that 466. And to go higher, we need to break above Friday high for 96. Baba finally moving. Volume is good. I like this one. This is a swing idea. Pop, pullback. This pullback was a bit of a problem here when it broke below this level at 72.50. However, it recovered today, printed a bullish kicker with volume. I like that. Price closed above the 50 SMA. Chinese company, so I have a problem with that because the market is awful in China. But there's a possibility of a bottom, at least with Baba. So I like this formation. It needs to remain above the 50 SMA, eventually break through 76 and 79, 83, and 86 are the resistance targets. For support, swing idea, 73 and this low 71. TLTR, very strong in the post market. This one reported earnings. And on Twitter, I posted on the dark option flow account things that I find that I see that seem intriguing. I post them there. So go check it out. I posted something prior to the earnings. There were some option activities, and it turned out to be a bullish move, very strong. So they're interesting. And right now it's trading all the way up here to near 1930. So this one tomorrow is gonna most likely do a bullish kicker, and let's see if it does a reverse. So if he opens where it is, which is right here at 1950, we'll pull back, possibly retest the support, which at the moment we're looking at 1870 and then 18. Resistance 1950, 2120, and 24. Are you tired of playing the guessing game in the stock market? It's time for a change. It's time to trade with smart money. Introducing Dark Option Flow, your key to trading success. Tracking unusual options, dark pools, and insiders' activities in real time. Trade alongside smart money. This is the game billionaires and investors don't want you to know. Dark Option Flow, your pathway to trading success. Try it today with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Join us today 100% risk-free. Your success story begins with Dark Option Flow. Visit darkoptionflow.com and start trading in the know. Dark Option Flow, because your success matters. See you inside.